Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of sci-fi to explore the most epic space weapons ever featured in movies and some that could potentially be used in the future. From planet-destroying superweapons to elegant blades of energy, we're ranking the top 10 coolest, most destructive and most iconic weapons ever imagined. Buckle up, space cadets, because things are about to get awesomely destructive. Let's get started. Alright, let's be real, we couldn't start this list without the granddaddy of space weapons, the one that made us all go, holy crap, they blew up a planet. The Death Star, that terrifying moon-sized monstrosity from Star Wars, is the epitome of overkill. I mean, this thing is basically a giant space station with one single purpose, to obliterate entire planets with a single shot of its super laser. Can you imagine the kind of energy it takes to do that? It's mind-boggling. The Death Star is more than just a weapon, it's a symbol of the Empire's tyranny, striking fear into the hearts of the rebellion and anyone who dared oppose them. Remember that feeling of dread when you first saw it on screen? Yeah, that's the power of the Death Star, baby. It's the ultimate do not mess with us sign in the galaxy, and don't even get me started on the trench run. That sequence alone, with Luke and the gang flying their X-Wings through that narrow trench to hit that tiny thermal exhaust port, is pure cinematic gold. It's the kind of scene that makes you jump out of your seat and scream at the screen. The Death Star may have had its flaws, who puts an exhaust port that leads directly to the main reactor, but its impact on pop culture is undeniable. It's the weapon that launched 1,000 memes, spawned countless imitations, and cemented its place as the ultimate symbol of sci-fi destruction. I mean, come on, it's called the Death Star. What's not to love about a name like that? Just try saying it out loud without feeling a surge of geeky excitement. I dare you. The Death Star is a testament to our fascination with ultimate power and the terrifying consequences that come with it. It's a reminder that sometimes the biggest gun really does win, and in the case of the Death Star, that gun is big enough to obliterate an entire planet. Talk about overkill. But hey, that's what makes it so awesome, right? It's a weapon that makes you think, what if? What if we had the technology to build something like that? What would it mean for humanity? It's a question that sci-fi has been grappling with for decades, and the Death Star is a stark reminder of the awesome and terrifying potential of our technological future. So yeah, the Death Star definitely deserves its spot on this list. It's iconic, terrifying, and just plain cool. It's the weapon that made us all believe that maybe, just maybe, blowing up a planet wasn't entirely out of the realm of possibility. And in the world of sci-fi, that's saying something. Next up, we're beaming down to the Star Trek universe to talk about the phaser, a weapon that's as versatile as it is iconic. This isn't just some clunky ray gun, it's a marvel of futuristic engineering, capable of stunning, disintegrating, or even vaporizing your enemies with a flick of a switch. Talk about options. The phaser's adaptability is what makes it truly stand out. Need to incapacitate a hostile alien without causing permanent damage? Set it to stun. Dealing with a particularly nasty adversary who needs to be taken out of the equation? Crank it up to disintegrate. Feeling a bit dramatic and want to leave nothing behind but a puff of smoke? Vaporize it is. But the phaser's coolness factor goes beyond its multiple settings. It's the way it fires, that satisfying pew-pew sound that's become synonymous with sci-fi battles. It's the sleek design, the way it fits snugly in the hands of Kirk, Spock, and the rest of the Enterprise crew. It's the sheer coolness of having a weapon that can do it all. And let's not forget the phaser's cultural impact. This thing has been zapping bad guys and saving the galaxy for decades, becoming a staple of sci-fi weaponry and inspiring countless imitations in movies, TV shows, and video games. Who hasn't pretended to hold a phaser, mimicking that iconic firing pose, and imagining themselves as a brave Starfleet officer, boldly going where no one has gone before? The phaser is a testament to the power of imagination, a glimpse into a future where energy weapons are commonplace, and handheld devices can do everything from heating up your coffee to vaporizing your enemies. It's a reminder that sometimes, the most elegant solutions are also the most deadly. So, next time you're watching Captain Kirk face off against a Klingon warship, or exploring strange new worlds with the crew of the Enterprise, take a moment to appreciate the phaser, a weapon that's as much a part of Star Trek's legacy as the Starship Enterprise itself. It's a reminder that in the vastness of space, having a reliable, versatile weapon by your side could mean the difference between boldly going and boldly going boom. Chapter 3, Number 8, The Lightsaber, an elegant weapon for a more civilized age. Alright, let's be honest, who hasn't swung a stick around pretending it's a lightsaber? This elegant weapon, a hallmark of the Star Wars universe, is more than just a laser sword. It's a symbol of hope, courage, and the fight against the dark side. Wielded by the Jedi Knights, guardians of peace and justice, the lightsaber is an extension of the Force itself, a blade of pure energy that can cut through almost anything. But what makes the lightsaber truly special is its connection to the Force. It's not just a weapon. It's a conduit for the energy that flows through all living beings, requiring discipline, training, and a deep connection to the Force to wield effectively. It's a weapon that hums with power, its vibrant colors reflecting the alignment of its user. The blue blade of a Jedi Knight, the green of a Jedi Consular, the menacing red of a Sith Lord, each color tells a story, adding another layer of depth to this iconic weapon. The lightsaber is a testament to George Lucas's genius, a weapon that's both visually stunning and deeply ingrained in the lore of Star Wars. It's the weapon that sparked 1,000 childhood fantasies, the one we all dreamed of owning, of engaging in epic duels with our friends. And let's be real, the sound effects. That iconic hum, the clash of blades, the sizzle of a lightsaber cutting through metal, it's enough to send shivers down your spine. But the lightsaber is more than just a cool weapon with awesome sound effects. It's a symbol of the struggle between good and evil, a reminder that even in the darkest of times, there will always be those who fight for justice and peace. It's a weapon that inspires hope, reminding us that even in the face of overwhelming odds, courage and determination can prevail. So, the next time you see a lightsaber ignite on screen, take a moment to appreciate its elegance, its power, and its enduring legacy. It's a weapon that's captured our imaginations for generations, a testament to the power of storytelling and the enduring appeal of the battle between good and evil. And hey, who wouldn't want a weapon that can cut through almost anything and looks that cool doing it? Chapter 4, Number 7, The Reaper, Harbingers of Destruction. From the vastness of space to the realm of video games, we arrive at Mass Effect and its terrifying weapon of galactic annihilation, the Reaper. These colossal, sentient starships are nothing short of Lovecraftian horrors, ancient machines designed with one purpose, to harvest advanced organic civilizations, ensuring the galaxy never gets too chaotic. Talk about a bad day at the office. The Reapers are more than just giant spaceships with guns. They're the stuff of nightmares, shrouded in mystery and wielding technology far beyond the comprehension of most species in the Mass Effect universe. They are the boogeymen of the galaxy, whispered about in hushed tones, feared for their ruthlessness and their incomprehensible motives. Imagine, if you will, a massive, squid-like vessel emerging from the depths of space, its glowing red eyes fixated on your planet. Its mere presence disrupts communications, throws electronics into disarray, and sends shivers down the spines of even the most hardened soldiers. That's the Reaper, a force of nature, an embodiment of cosmic horror that makes the Death Star look like a child's toy. And then there's their primary weapon, the magneto-hydrodynamic cannon, a mouthful of a name for a weapon that essentially rips apart matter at a subatomic level. Imagine a beam so powerful it can tear apart starships, obliterate entire cities, and leave nothing behind but a cloud of superheated dust. The Reapers are a testament to the power of video game storytelling, a chilling reminder that in the vastness of space there may be forces far older and more powerful than we can possibly imagine. They are a force of nature, a cosmic horror that challenges our understanding of life, death, and the very nature of existence. So the next time you boot up Mass Effect and find yourself face to face with a Reaper, remember, this is no ordinary enemy. This is a force of nature, a harbinger of destruction, and a testament to the boundless creativity of the human imagination. Good luck, Commander, you're gonna need it. Chapter 5, Number 6, The Railgun, From Science Fiction to Science Fact. Alright, let's bring things back down to Earth, or rather, back down to reality. With a weapon that's less science fiction and more science fiction in the making, the Railgun. This bad boy has been a staple of sci-fi for decades, appearing in everything from video games like Quake to movies like Eraser. But what exactly is it, and how close are we to actually wielding this weapon of the future? In the simplest terms, a railgun is like a superpowered electromagnetic slingshot. Instead of gunpowder, it uses electricity and magnetism to launch projectiles at hypersonic speeds, turning ordinary metal slugs into devastating weapons capable of piercing through tanks like butter. Imagine a weapon with the range of a cruise missile and the destructive power of a howitzer, all without the need for explosive charges. That's the promise of the Railgun, a weapon that could revolutionize warfare and usher in a new era of high-tech combat. But the Railgun's potential extends far beyond the battlefield. Imagine using this technology to launch satellites into orbit, eliminating the need for expensive and dangerous chemical rockets. Or picture using railguns to deflect asteroids, protecting our planet from potential cosmic collisions. The possibilities are truly mind-boggling. Now I know what you're thinking. This all sounds great, but when can I get my hands on one? Well, the truth is, railgun technology is still under development, but significant progress has been made in recent years. The US Navy, for example, has been testing railgun prototypes, and while there are still hurdles to overcome, such as managing the immense heat and energy generated by these weapons, the future of railgun technology looks promising. The railgun is a testament to human ingenuity, a reminder that what was once confined to the realm of science fiction can, with enough time and innovation, become a reality. It's a weapon that blurs the line between imagination and reality, offering a glimpse into a future where wars might be fought with lightning-fast projectiles, and humanity's reach extends further into the cosmos. So, keep an eye on the railgun, folks. It's a weapon that has the potential to change the world, for better or for worse. Who knows, maybe one day we'll all be slinging metal slugs at hypersonic speeds, just like in the movies. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome content. Let us know in the comments which sci-fi weapon is your favorite, or if we missed any epic ones. What about the BFG from Doom, or the proton packs from Ghostbusters? The possibilities are endless. See you next time.